Hello, TMUA aspirants. Myself Rishabh. I teach mathematics for almost all the competitive exams and international curriculum. Okay, I offer the service as Math by Rishabh, and you can visit my website Mathematics Elevate Academy to know more about me. And to book for booking with me, you have to visit my website Math by Rishabh. What different offerings? As we know, tomorrow you have a exam, okay, for the TMUA. It's a gateway exam to gateway of elite universities. So you have, as you know, there are it's a high stake exam. There are 75 minutes for 20 questions per paper. You have one exam on 13th and other next exam on 14th of October 2025. So I just prepared this video to help the students for the TMUA exam. As already I have written one book on TMUA, the Elite Guidebook for that. Okay. So it's a multiple choice format. Okay, no partial credit. Precision is a key. Okay. So by this exam you can get admission at Cambridge, Oxford, Imperial, and other universities, top universities across UK. If you score well, you can use it in your SOP for getting admission to other top universities across the globe, including the top universities in the US, Australia, and Singapore. This high score makes your SOP stronger. So this is not a just exam to go into this universities as well as a good score can. So you should be calm and confident. Whatever the things you have prepared so far, okay, that is you already did. Okay. If there are some gaps or mistakes, you may not feel non-confident or so these things are not in your hand to change your past. Okay, what things you have left or which the concepts you don't mastered or for which so you should be confident on whatever you have learned so far. Okay, our brain works efficient and best when you are actually calm. Okay, so keep you calm, keep yourself cool exam under the exam pressure. Okay, small error can big cost you big points and eventually change your university. Okay, so have confidence. Okay, master common mistakes and build resilience and perform at your peak. Okay, if you have gone through my book TMUA, you have may have a more better idea. Okay, I have written this book uh, not so far ago, maybe 10-15 days ago. I have published the early SS edition. I have to review various content across the book. I just published for your help to the aspirants applying in this TMUA. Okay. Once I have just revised everything, I will republish the book as a next edition. Coming to the next slide. So TMU trap, high stakes, tight constraints. Okay. As you know, 75 questions you have. Okay, for 75 minutes for 20 questions. Okay, so you have around 3.75 minutes per question. You have the options, you have the problems. Okay, so paper 1 is based on pure math and paper 2 is more or applied or abstract. Okay, as you have the next exam paper 1, so see, even misreads calculation errors and states this can work negatively for you. Okay, so be have patience, keep calm. Okay, try to understand, okay, the problems clearly. Don't confuse with the plus and minus sign when you differentiate, and take care of all the powers. Okay, e to the power how differentiate. Okay, Don't be so fast to make bit error and get another incorrect incorrect options, which eventually get you the lower score. Okay, instead of getting high score eh, by just skipping some points. Okay, by going fast, if you score low, it's a bad habit. Okay, actually, the best way to practice the mock exams as much as you can. So the actually my complete TMU Elite book is based on mock exams. Okay, and this book is fully solved. All the mock papers are fully solved. There are few challenging and unsolved mock papers, so that you can uh, have a real precision of solving. Okay, you can get the answers for them as well by reaching out to me at the Rishabh at the rate mathvarishabh.com. Okay. This is my email. So time to that is 3.75 per minute for a question. Okay. So don't take power moves. Okay. To okay. You don't have to make small errors, silly mistakes. Okay. There is a precision and calm. Okay. That is the your triumph for the by me. Okay. Common mistakes one. Okay, like most student by going they misinterpret the questions, solving the wrong problems. Okay, this is the most painful thing, because you are devoting the time, you know the problem, and with a silly mistake or misinterpreting the questions makes n- no marks earned wherever you can earn full marks. So try to take care of this maximum and minimum. Try to take care of uh, what are the constant restrictions, degrees or radian. Okay, okay, try to understand the problems. Okay, don't go fast. Okay, okay, first you should understand the problem and then solve it precisely. Okay, paper one is subtle trigonometry question, and other thing that precise logical phrasing. Coming next, avoid distributed strategies for success. Read twice, underline the keyword proof, and ensure that you have clarity of the problem. Okay, check the domain and constraints, because many a time, uh, like if you find two roots of pi by 2, and in case the problem is related to tan, so tan pi by 2 is actually not defined. Okay, so you have to take care of all these types of. Okay, so you can clearly check. Okay, here that thing. Okay, always scan the full domain. Okay. So tackle the past TMU. Hopefully you have visited the UK TMU website. Okay, their past papers, even they are solved, and various solution modules are made, and how they marks. Okay, what are the comments? You can clearly see on the past year paper available on the official website. Okay, if you're looking for a mock papers, you can always. Okay, in case you are planning to apply in the next upcoming exam for the TMU, you can enroll in my short-term mentorship plan. Okay, careless calculation error. Take care of the calculations. Okay, simple mistakes, wrong picks. Okay, and sign errors. Take care of the sign errors. Quality formulas helps. What are the miscalculations? Like time. Be careful about calculations. Okay, because these silly mistakes pay you a lot. So be careful about that. Heavy computations, okay, and logical steps, and so you have to be careful about uh, like where how to select the problem which can be solved as easily and in the less time with the precision. You also need the correct answer to solve them. So avoid the calculation error. Okay, be calm. Okay, like if you talk about me, my the exam, uh, I've also cracked many exams with top ranks. Okay, you can see my LinkedIn. Okay, this shows how I appears is a bit different than others. Okay, I generally keep quiet and keep calm for any exam. Okay, and after solving, suppose the exam is for or 2.5 or 3 hour. Okay, my plan is like after going through a 1 hour, okay, I just take a break and take a break of like approximately 1 minute, okay, and take some water, and again it refreshes my brain and body energy, and again I am next charge to attempt the problem in another level. Again I will be consistent. Okay, like if you're try to be very much consistent and very much focused, okay, and you don't have a lot of practice before that one, you are directly applying to the exam, it distracts. Okay, as compared to your board exams, uh, okay, these exams are a bit more competitive, and here the scores matters a lot, so you should be very precise and clarity about yourself, how is your learning, how is your approach to give your exam best. Okay, different approaches works for different kind of students. Okay, so I'm just making this video to help you. uh, okay, I don't have various things to make this video very premium or another thing. Okay, for now it will be helpful for you. Okay, so and even I don't have a lot of time, so I'm managing to make it. Okay, okay, so you should verify the results. If like if a problem is very simple, suppose there is some problem like x square, find f dash x. Okay, so you should write exactly. Okay, it's very simple question. Okay, but if the problem is f dash x, then write fx. Okay, so the this is a derivative. Okay, so you should know that it should be integrated. Okay, in that case, it will ask you by 3 plus c. C is the constant notation where any number can comes into the picture. Okay, so you should be careful about the c as well. So you must verify the results. Okay, so as much your grasp for the maths for that topic or the mastery, it will helpful for you. Okay, everyone have different needs, so slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Okay, 10 seconds, just take pause for the final calculation, because see, as you know, okay, there are 20 questions. Okay, if you attempt all 20 questions, okay, you may be very much confident about 15 questions. Okay, and due to fast calculation or not devoting about the much time to other 5 questions. Okay, it's a good idea to if you know the 15 questions well, get almost correct for all the 15 questions. Okay, or at least go for 14 questions, and out of 5 questions choose the questions which you can attempt first. Okay, like which you can able to prioritize and try to attempt 3 correct problems out of them. Okay, by this way you are not just reducing the attempt for each problem. By reducing the number of questions, you also get more time. Okay, like there is 3.75 minutes for each question. Okay, in case you finalize in just 1 minute, that I will not attempt these 3 problems. Okay, these are not the topics I have actually mastered or I have gone unconfident about that. Okay, so actually you are saving around uh, 10 minutes, and this 10 minutes you can devote to other 17 problems. Okay, out of that 7 8 problems may be very easy for you. Okay, so the 10 problems you have more one uh, 1 minute for each problem. Okay, so you can verify the class, and this way you have the correct answer for 17 problems. Okay, if you are a bit more advanced student, obviously you can go for 19 correct answers. Okay, so this is the best approach which works in a competitive exam. Okay, so accuracy is very important. Okay, very. So cool minded performance. Okay, in case if you find bit time or think that I can I should able to practice some more sample per a practice paper. Okay, you can buy the book Kindle. Okay, instantly available to download and try to practice the problems. Pre-exams, everything will be in available in the description. Okay, in case nothing, something is missing, you have doubt, you can comment or you can directly email me. Mock test simulate for the 75 minutes. Okay, like you have 75 minutes. Okay, for the 20 questions. Okay, whenever you take mock test, try to complete in the 60 minutes. Okay, because if during mock test uh, you may not have the similar pressure you feel, okay, because of the psychological issue. You know that this is your original paper, this is your mock paper, okay. Try to make it more stressed, try to solve more advanced problems that are actually so that you will be well prepared for your exams. Practice is equal to peace, okay. So whatever the things you have done so far, be confident about that, okay. Whatever the things you can do, that is in your hand, okay, right now. Those things which are in your hand, you should not think about them, okay, because it will only give a negative impact on you, no positive impact you can get, okay. Only thing that after that you have chance to improve that one. Remember these things, okay. Whatever the mistakes you made, try to rectify, modify, try to uh, improve your effort toward this, okay. Holistic, this is just extracted from my chapter 4, okay. Some of the few points are also available as freely on my website for this book, okay. For getting the theorems, okay, you can just revisit, okay, but don't try to go through all the concepts in one day. Try to revise, because this will make your brain more to think and more faster. You also want to revise this, I should review this file. This is not possible, okay. Overnight you can't change much things, okay. You don't have a question paper which you're solving. So best thing that you should have a confidence, you have some knowledge, understanding, that will help you in the actually in the last day preparation. You can't revise, like if you have a one cheat sheet or 2 3 pages of cheat sheet already revised multiple times, so you can review that one. It will be so stress management, take deep breaths and be hydrated. Take a plenty of water, okay, before the exam, in the exam, so that will keep you hydrated. And check answer, okay, just 5 minutes, okay. Don't always be careful about marking the answers, okay. Many times students make many problems and marking, just do like fourth option, fifth option, one option, just go one by one, okay. Don't be too fast to make some mistakes, okay. Mm. Be careful about the mistakes, okay, that is more important. Resilience plus precision is equal to world class results. So I just opened uh, TMU exams, okay, go worldwide. Okay, I offer the classes online, okay. I'm based in India, but my classes and other things, okay, in online mode. So I teach for international exams, okay. You can review my thing and you can pay in the currency, in your currency. Okay, under the Metro Elevate Academy, this is the name of Elevate Your Preparation for the TMU Elite Guidebook by Rishabh Kumar. Okay, so it's available on Kindle. You can buy the book, okay. So you can, there is a look inside, you can clearly check on the website, okay. If you find that this could be helpful for you, okay, so yeah, go for it. There is a content page already available publicly, so you can review, okay. In case if there is a error, okay, this is a early SS edition, I want to uh, make sure, okay. I will update the book again after some time, once I go through the complete book, okay. The complete thing I will change, okay. Like there is a book cover, and I have to review all the problem solutions, problems again, to make it just review it again, okay. Because I just published so that you should be useful for you, okay. Similarly, I published a number of books, sport mat. Consistently I am writing the books and elevating the, trying to impact making your exam preparation easier for you, okay. So link is the description, okay, you can buy it, okay. Join the my mentorship plan for the TMU. I am an alumnus of IIT Guwahati and the ISI, okay. uh, guiding from I have a teaching experience of more than 6+ years, okay. So I like I am passionate about teaching as well as learning in a math formats. Currently, okay, currently I am just running these two things, okay. So I may not be available for everyone, okay. So kindly book the session soon, okay, for various types of courses. And if you have anything on your mind, okay, so you can always ping me, okay. All the things are taught for all the high school curriculums. As I have teach a not number of years, I have a deep understanding of all the curriculums in terms of curriculum like AP Statistics, AP Calculus, further Math, IB Math, A, and I have written a number of books on that. Okay, I can go beyond the your standard. Okay, I have also taught to university students up to masters of for statistics and data science. Yeah, ready to conclude. Let's elevator. You can join now. Okay, and best of luck for your exam. Okay, best of luck for your exam. Okay, you can use the just go through the some freely available PDF on my website. Okay, just TMU. You can look how to approach this thing. Don't be mess up your thing. Okay, if you need some more help, you can always just pay 9.9 USD or what GBP. Okay, GBP to that. Okay, and get the Kindle resource, and you can just go through some of the pages like how to approach the exams, so how to approach the TM exams, what are the steps. Here I already have told. Okay, but if you need more info, more confidence, you can go through that. But if you want that on the paper too, or I want to just practice few papers like 2 3 papers I want to solve, because as you know there's 75 minute one exam. Even if you want to prepare for 3 hour, okay, or 4 hour, you definitely attempt 4 papers, 3 papers in one, even in one day. Okay, if you are actually a hard-working student, you should work or study about 6 hours or more. Okay, so in that case, you can solve 5 to 6 solve papers on that. Okay, there are solutions available. You can verify them. In case the solutions are incorrect, I am here to just message me or email me. I will look into that. Okay. Thank you for the answer. Best of luck. Bye.